This is Hoover. He is a very unique little guy in his coloring. Just want to make sure we got a good picture of this. It's like he's got a little toupee. And then he's kind of light on the front, and he gets darker as it goes back. Right, Hoove? Oh, you're exploring in here. Yeah, what's in there? Everybody just thinks he's adorable. Hoover is one of 6 kittens born to a mama that we got out of the Midwest City Animal Shelter in the late summer. He's now available for adoption. You know, we like the front end a lot better than the back end, kiddo. There we go. But look at this coloring on this cute guy. He's got a little bit of a stripe on his back legs and his tail. Oh, he's coming through the thing. There he goes. And then he's got a big black mark on his forehead, and from the back of his head, there's 2 big black stripes behind his ears. What a pretty boy. Hoover was born in late July. He has 4 brothers and a sister, all of them varying tabby and grays. Back in the crate. That's Hoover. This is Hitch. Hitch is a solid gray. Adorable. Very pretty boy. Oh, somebody's pushing on my arm. Yes, that would be Hoover. Hi, bub. If you like gray cats, there are 2 of them in this litter. Hitch and Hugo. We'll have Hugo on a different video. Hitch. Hitch. There you go, look up here. Look at that face. The last one of this trio is Mr. Hank, who's still not quite sure he wants to come out of the carrier, but he'll be out in a little bit. I'll just have to lure him out. He's the least adventuresome of these 3. Oh, come on. I know you want to see this. Come on. Not right now. Come on. Come see me. Oh, Mom, this is a strange place. Oh, go on. Go on in there, Hoover, and get him out. Tell him to come on out. It's safe. You're just pushing him around, aren't you? Hi, Hitch. Hitch just decided he wants to play with these as long as he moves and nobody else does. I really wanted to get this video of this very uniquely colored tabby that we have. But I can't see him very well if he's in the crate. Come on, Hoover. Yes, what a sweetie. These 3 and their siblings are all available for adoption through PAWS. Again, they were born, we estimate, about July the 22nd. They came and were nursed by their mom. Her mom's name is Hazel. We'll get some videos of her also up very soon. And hopefully I'll get another one of this guy, because you're gorgeous. You just are too shy to come out right now. Come on. Oh, a ball. Does that interest you? Nope, not yet. Okay.